observe, there are some names given here, like faces, edges and vertices. So let us know about this faces, edges and vertices then. See, the 8 corners of the cube are its vertices, and the 12 line segments that form the skeleton of the cube are its edges, and the 6 flat square surfaces that are the skin of the cube are its faces. Okay, yes. And if you observe that each of this, if you see in these figures, there are many solids given, right? So each of these solids is made up of the polygonal regions which are called its faces, and these faces meet at edges which are the line segments, and the edges meet at vertices which are points, and such solids are called polyhedrons, I can say. So here I'm going to show you 2 different figures. Okay, so the first figure, you can see these are an example for the polyhedrons. But if you look at the one more picture, if I show you here like this, these are not a polyhedron. Then how are the polyhedrons are different from the non-polyhedrons? A question mark, right? Once again, see, a polyhedron is a 3-dimensional figure that is formed by the polygons, and that includes a region in the space. And these non-polyhedrons are cones, spheres, cylinders, because they have sides that are not polygons. That's the difference. Next, let us know about something called convex polyhedrons. I think we have read something called convex polygons, right? Yes. So the idea of this convex polyhedron is similar to the convex polygon. So then let's know that idea. What is that? See, a convex polygon has a no interior angle greater than 180 degrees. The same idea will apply for the convex polyhedron also. Okay, yeah. And the next one is a regular polyhedrons. Here, a polyhedron is said to be the regular if its face are made up of regular polygons and the same number of faces meet each other or meets at each vertex. Now let me show you a few figures. Okay, so these figures. This polyhedron is a regular because its faces are congruent and regular polygons, and the vertices are formed by the same number of faces. And let me show one more picture. Look at this. See, this is not a polyhedron, or this is a polyhedron which is not regular. Yes, this is a polyhedron. Yes, it is a polyhedron, but it is not regular because here all the sides are congruent, but the vertices are not formed by the same number of faces. And here the 3 faces meet at A, but 4 faces meet at B. That's why. Next one, we are having something called Prism and Pyramids. See, these are the 2 important members of polyhedron family, and these are called prisms and pyramids. So what is that prism and pyramids then? See, a prism is a polyhedron whose base and the top are congruent polygons and whose other face are lateral face are parallelograms in the shape. And on other hand, there is something called pyramid, right? So this pyramid is a polyhedron whose base is a polygon and whose lateral face are triangle with the common vertex. Got it? Yes. And this, a prism or a pyramid, is named after its basis itself. Thus, a hexagonal prism means it will be having a hexagon as its base. A triangular pyramid means it will be having triangle as a base. Likewise, we will be having square pyramid, so on. Okay? This is about the prism and pyramid, and this is about the chapter visualizing the solid shapes.